In this video, you will learn the process for obtaining a customized digital field form or a customized digital field map that you can use on a tablet while out doing field work. Please be sure to watch the tablet basics video before continuing. A quick overview. Denver Botanic Gardens has ArcGIS Online. You must have an account with ArcGIS Online to utilize it. If you don't have an account but would like one, submit a ticket to IT. The research department has 9 field tablets, each of which must be reserved ahead of time to use in the field. And the whole point of having a tablet with you is to either bring a digital editable map for offline use or a digital data form for offline use to record information. You're very welcome to make your own map or form. However, please communicate with the scientific data manager if this includes actually recording any data, spatial data, text data, or otherwise that we'll want to hang on to. The scientific data manager is happy to create a form with you or for you as long as they have the proper notice and information. Creating maps for offline use can be a tedious and time-consuming process, so please be considerate of others' time and request the maps well in advance. The new process for requesting a field form or field map utilizes the JIRA Help Desk ticket service, which I will now demonstrate. Okay, I'm here on the DBG JIRA service portal, and I'm going to search research and select GIS request. Brings up this form, and basically, the first thing you need to know is that there is a standard voucher form template for collecting plant vouchers. Please review this so you know what kind of data are already included on the standard one. So summary of the request might be field form and maps for floristics in Pike National Forest. Please give me a date of your first outing so that everything can be ready on time. And let me know which tablets that you'll want this on. Who on the trip does have an ArcGIS online account? So enter the person's name there. And then give me a summary of what kind of fieldwork or data you'll be collecting. So, for example, collecting vouchers. If you're doing some sort of other project, we've probably already worked out the details. Do you have a permit secured? If yes, tell me what the file is called on Teams. If no, let me know when a permit is going to become available. What counties will we be collecting in? If it's more than one, I'll give you a multiple choice option. If it's just one, I'll set it as the default so you won't have to think about it. And then give me a list of all the people that are coming with you. Again, so the associate collector can either be a multiple choice or set as default if they do not differ throughout the season. Let me know who the lead collector will be. This will be a default value that you don't have to enter every time. Let me know if Ackerfield's list of species for Colorado meets your needs. If you're going to be collecting cultivars or cultivated varieties, that's probably not the case. Or if you're going to be working outside of Colorado, that's probably not the case. For voucher collections, let me know if there's any special data types that you'd like to record in the field, like if you're collecting seed in addition to tissue and voucher material. And let me know if there's anything else you'd like to change or add or address differently. And then finally, if you want a map, let me know. Basically, you need to know like kind of where you're going to be so we can create an offline area, and then also what layers do you want. So this can be like if you want a layer showing property ownership boundaries, or a layer that shows all of the vouchers collected within an area, or all of the observations of a certain species within an area. We can include that on your map and you can have access to it while out in the field. When you're finished, hit create, and I will get a message that says, hey, Rick, get working on this form and map. All right, the next step. So I will get to work on the digital products and reach out with any questions. And then I will send you a link to the maps or forms for your review. And once everything's approved and worked out, I'll ask you to log in to the specified tablet and then download the survey form and the map or maps. That will be demonstrated in just a second. All right, here's a quick video showing how to download a survey onto your Survey123 app. So you open up the app, select your profile, download surveys, and then it'll show you all the ones that you have access to. Hit the little cloud download button. And then if you go back, boom, there it is, available for your use. And you do not have to be connected to the internet to use it. If you requested a map, you'll also have to download an offline area to be able to use it without an internet connection. So it's likely that I created an offline area that you can find and download, and this shows how to do that. So you open up Field Maps, and these are all the maps that you have access to. Select the right one, and then the map areas that are available for download should be displayed there. You just hit download. This might take a while, and hopefully it works. And then you can see there's your offline area that you now have access to. But let's say an offline area was not created for the right spot or at the right detail for where you're going. You can actually create an offline area using the app, and this is how you do that. You open the map or the map app, find your map, and then select Add Offline Area. You get to select the level of detail. The more detail, the smaller the area that will be available to you while offline. See, rooms is a little bit bigger than room. I like buildings. It's a decent enough level of detail and gives you a pretty big area. It'll start downloading. This might take a long time. It might not work at all. This is something that you should not be doing on your way out to the field, or even the night before. I wouldn't risk it. Do it well in advance. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or problems, and I'm happy to help, and happy collecting.